Hello and welcome to this jewelry making course. In this course I will show you how to make an anklet using a metal link. I will use this link in the shape of a feather. And in order to make the anklet I will also use some black cord, nylon cord, a lobster claw clasp to close and open the anklet, some jump rings, these two fold over connectors will be used for the end of the cords, and also some crimps. These crimps. As tools, I will use some scissors, a lighter for the cords, and also a pair of pliers, chain nose pliers, and a jump ring opener for the metal parts. Now let's begin by measuring the length of our cords. So as you can see, I have two nylon cords and they have a length of about 9 inches. So I will put about 9 inches of cord, and 9 inches would be about 23 centimeters. So I will use 2 pieces of nylon cord that have around 9 inches, that is 23 centimeters. The first step will be to take the ornament, the connector, and I will put the nylon cord through the connector. The connector will be in the middle of our anklet, like this. Now I have folded the nylon cord this way, and I will take one of those crimps and put the nylon cord through the crimp. Like this. So I will put the nylon cords, both nylon cords, through the crimp like this. I'll find the middle of the cords this way, and I will as you can see, I have pushed the crimp. Let's see from a closer distance. And now, as you can see, the crimp is next to our connector, to the ornament of our anklet. Now I will take the pliers and push on this crimp so that it presses on my cords, this way. Like this. And as you can see, the cords no longer move. Now I will take the second nylon cord again I'll put it through the connector this way. Now I will take the second crimp and put the cords through this crimp, this way. Again, I will try to find the middle of the cord, like this. And again, my crimp is next to the connector here. So I will not push it very close to the ring here, because it might break the ring if I press too hard on the crimp, and it might press on this ring. So I will grab the crimp, so I have a bit of space between the crimp and the ring of the connector, and I will press on the crimp like this, so that my cords no longer move. So as you can see, next to my connector, to my feather connector, to the decoration of my anklet, I have two crimps that block the cord so that the cord doesn't move. So this will be the middle, the central part of my anklet. Now I will take the end of my cords this way. I will take one of those fold-over connectors and I will put my cords on the fold-over connector like this. I will take the pliers and press with the pliers on the fold-over connector so that it presses on my cords. On this side as well. And this way. And now my fold-over connectors press on the cord like this. Let's also do this on the other side. Again, I will take the fold-over connector. I'll put the fold-over connector on the cords and I will press on the fold-over connector like this. This way. And now at both ends of my anklet I have these fold-over connectors. Now on these connectors I will put some jump rings. So I will take one of those jump rings. I will grab the jump ring with the pliers. I will take the jump ring opener and open the jump ring. I will put the jump ring through the connector like this. Now I will take the lobster claw clasp, put it on the jump ring. I will grab the jump ring and close like this. And now I have put the lobster claw clasp on one of the ends of my anklet. And I will take the second jump ring, grab it, open it with the jump ring opener, like this, and I will put it like this on my fold over connector on the end of my anklet and close. Like this. And now I will close the anklet like this. And let's see what the anklet looks like. The finished anklet looks like. So as you can see, this is my finished anklet. So this is the finished anklet. This will be the ornament, the connector of the anklet, and this is the closure of my anklet.